Guys, what's up? In today's video, we are looking at how manager's job is changing. But before getting started, I do want to tell you that I have a guidebook of management. Make sure to get it in the description box. So here are 3 ways through which manager's job is changing. Importance of customers. Now here is the thing. Even though customers are a very crucial part to any organization, management didn't realize until recently that how important they are and what impact they have on the organization. But now that we have realized it, now we have to make sure that we are being good to customers. Previously, it was said that it is the responsibility of only marketers, which was okay, which was cool for that time. But in current times, things are changing. Customers have a lot more power, a lot more word of mouth thanks to social media, and organizations and managers have to stay up on their toes and they have to make employees more knowledgeable, accessible, friendly for the customers and allow them to do things that customers want them to do, as long as they are ethical and logical, obviously. Next is importance of innovation. Now we all know things are changing like crazy. One day one thing becomes a trend and the other day it's just a dead end. So managers have to stay innovative. They have to think out of the box. They have to make sure that they are grabbing all the opportunities that society and environment is bringing them. And they have to constantly innovate. Constant innovation is the key to sustainability. Which brings us to third point, sustainability. Today's customers are more aware and alert, which is why it has become crucial for managers to look at the sustainability of the organization. Sustainability is defined as the ability of the organization to achieve its business goals and increase long-term shareholder value by integrating environmental, economical, and societal opportunities into its business strategies. So managers have to make sure that they are not hurting the environment and they are being sustainable and they are also not misusing the resources. Like in our terms, sustainability is that doing the work in such a manner that it does not do any harm to our dear earth. So all 3 things together are continuously changing the job of managers. They have to stay, as I said, a lot more alert. They have to keep on innovating. They have to make sure that their work is more sustainable. And they have to make sure that the customers they are serving are happy from them. One customer treated badly can impact them heavily. And we all have seen that just one bad video review or a social media post can cause chaos for organizations and their reputation and even their financial performance. Things can get that crazy with just one unsatisfied customer. So managers have to make sure that even if they are not satisfied, they do not have to be dissatisfied. If a customer is dissatisfied and not happy with your services, then oh boy. And they think about using their social media power, social media currency to make you pay, then things are going to go downhill unless you take some innovative approach and give them some replacement or incentive or something like that. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe and share and make sure to get the guidebook. Like, come on. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!